Whenever I find myself trapped in a sudden wave of anxiety, this exercise instantly saves me. It's a simple breathing technique I learned from Jay Shetty's book, Think Like a Monk. To do it with me, place your left hand on your stomach and your right on your chest. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts, feeling your stomach expand outwards. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Now, and exhale fully through your mouth. Feel everything coming out as you release all the hidden stress and worries. Repeat this simple exercise 10 times in your own tempo. Use it before a stressful meeting, an exam, or any tense moment